Howdy, everybody. Hey, Mr. Dog, where you going? Hey, don't you go away. Oh, look where we are. Ooh, it's the famous crude-on bed telephone up here on the Putty Road. Yeah, you can see it on Google Earth. This is the one I filmed about 2 years ago. So you can see all the melted tar, plastic. Hey, Mr. Dog, you want to make a phone call? Let's go and ring up crude-on. What do you reckon? This one here was all melted. All this here was just, they replaced it. And this is where that house used to be up there, and you can still see the water tanks and the everything else. And when I filmed it, I've got to get onto Google to get back on my deleted files. But look, there's the old light there. And look what I found. Does anybody think Australia and America are friends? What do you reckon? An Aussie flag, an American flag, all the way out in the middle of bloody Australia. What do you reckon? You don't believe me, out in the middle of Australia? Out here on the Putty Road, you ever listen? Hey, what sort of tree is that one? Let's go and have a look. Come back in a second. Isn't that marvellous, eh? Want to have a good look? Yeah, crude-on. All you plant lovers. Everybody flies out here. Fella put me in. Hey, isn't that pretty? Yeah, this is a property that got burnt down during the big bushfires 2 years ago. It used to be a shop, and this is bathtub. This was the house. There's his old, this looks like the old generator. Yep, there's his old generator. Look at that, eh? They just walked away. So all they could do was just walk away. Man, didn't the bushfire go through that? Hey, check that out. You imagine the amount of heat. There's stuff all over there. Yeah, this is that little sort of art gallery house. I wonder what pushed that over. Yep, look, concrete slab. Yeah, that's where you used to walk in the shop. Hard to believe. 2 years after bushfire, still nothing left. That guy freaked out. Did you see his head? Replay the video. He went, what? There's somebody over there. There we go. Nobody stops out here anymore. No, you're out here in Never Land out here. Get that off the barbed wire. Last time I was out here, was kangaroos. Nobody touches nothing out here. It's a great thing about Australia out here, out in the country. Nobody would have pulled up and grabbed the flag and run away with it. Nah, I'm bloody honest over here. There we go. Australia and America in bed together. Oh, that didn't come out right, did it? Well, you want to see exactly where I am? Hey, you mind the seat? Right, you mind the car, won't you? There we go. That's how you find me on Google Earth. Oh, here he comes. Wow. He just said, oh shit, I'm going to get done. I'm going to get a speeding ticket. Oh, Miss Elmwood, yeah. Yeah, this old house and shop was out here, oh, ever since I was a kid. 2019 bushfire. Man, didn't it wipe it out? Look at the burnt pole. Just for you, crouton bear out in Houston, Texas, because we did that funny one here with a crouton bear with the teddy bears. So look, still see the fire damage. Mate, I would have hated to be standing here. Oh, mate, you would have got cooked. With that big burnt tree. Can you see it over there? Says later, mister, I'm annoyed. Almost at a halfway house out there with Uncle Dave. And cars are getting busier. New Year's Day, 2022. See ya.